In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and set up a newsletter on Mailchimp. We'll walk through the entire process from start to finish, so by the end, you'll be ready to send a polished email campaign to your audience with confidence. First, log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, look for the Create button in the main navigation panel. This is where all new campaigns begin. Go ahead and click Create, and you'll see several options for different types of content you can make. For a standard newsletter, choose Email and then select Regular. This tells Mailchimp you want to build a typical one-off campaign, and it will open up a campaign checklist to guide you through everything you need to set before sending. The first item to complete is your recipients. Click Add Recipients. Here, you'll choose which audience will receive your newsletter. If you've already set up segments, you can target a specific group, like engaged subscribers or new signups. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the right list, then click Save. Next, you'll set who the email is coming from. Click Add From. Confirm the name you want people to see in their inbox and the email address that will send the campaign. Using a recognizable name helps boost open rates, so choose something your subscribers will instantly associate with you or your brand. When that looks good, save your changes. Now, click Add Subject. This is where you write your subject line and preview text. The subject is what grabs attention in the inbox, and the preview text is the short line that appears next to it. Keep both clear and benefit-focused and avoid sounding spammy. When you're happy with them, save and move on. Click Design. Email to open the builder. Mailchimp will show you a range of templates. Choose one that fits your goal, like an announcement if you're sharing news, or sell products if you're promoting items. Once you've found a layout you like, click Apply. You'll now be in the drag and drop editor. Here you can customize the template by adding and rearranging content blocks such as text, images, and buttons. Edit each block by clicking on it, and keep your design clean and easy to read. Use headings, short paragraphs, and clear calls to action. When your content looks ready, click Preview at the top. Check both the desktop and mobile views to make sure everything lines up correctly and is easy to read on smaller screens. If you spot anything off, go back and adjust it. When you're satisfied, click Save and Exit. Back on the campaign checklist, the final step is sending. Click Send to deliver your newsletter immediately, or choose Schedule if you want it to go out at a specific date and time. Scheduling is helpful if you want to hit your audience's inbox at their most active hours. Once you've made your choice, confirm it, and your Mailchimp newsletter is all set to go.